Introducing the new Mangroomer Ultimate Pro Do-It-Yourself Haircut Kit. Never pay for a haircut again with this new cutting-edge design and look your best without the help of others. Please go through user manual before use. Ergonomic rubberized trimmer fits easily in your hand for maximum control to effectively cut the back, front, side of your head, neckline, sideburns and around your ears. 9 length guide combs let you cut the exact length and style you desire. Sizes include 1, 5/2, 0/2, 5/3, 0/4, the 5th or the 6th of September 12, 15 mm and comes with a bonus convenient storage and travel case to keep everything organized. Hypoallergenic extra-wide self-sharpening stainless steel blades will precisely cut to the contour of your head with ease, plus when finished it easy to clean by rinsing under the faucet with water. New Lithium Max battery allows for fast recharging, plus a charging indicator light alerts you when fully charged. Can be used both corded and cordless for maximum versatility and convenience. Universal voltage. Get the exact haircut you want. Cut the exact length and style, including fades, crews, buzz cuts or just a quick trim. Washable, easy clean. Unit and blade clean easily by rinsing with water to remove hair clippings. Corded or cordless. Can be used corded and cordless for maximum versatility and convenience. Top reviews from the United States. Effective, easy to use. I use the Mangroomer to remove the hair on my head for a bald look. The extra wide cutting blade achieves this in very little time. The product is lightweight and one is able to easily remove the hair on the back of the head and neck with very little effort and precise results. I would unequivocally recommend this product.